lovers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another tutorial video. This is Believe George Vlogs, a Nigerian YouTuber. You are highly welcome to my channel. So on this tutorial today, I'm going to teach you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail for your videos. Okay, so if you have been hearing about thumbnail and you don't know what thumbnail is all about today, relax. I always got you covered. I am always here to help you. So when we talk about thumbnail, what is the meaning of thumbnail? Okay, thumbnail is the picture that is displayed on your video. Thumbnail is the picture or the first thing that people will see before they will click on the video. It's the first thing that your audience, your viewers are going to see before they click on your video. It's clickable. So your picture, the picture is just there. It represents what your video is all about. So this is what thumbnail is. Something like this, this, and this. So that is what thumbnail is. Okay, I'm going to tell you the importance of thumbnail in our videos. Max views. Okay, your thumbnail is going to attract views to your videos, to your channel. Okay, 2, your thumbnail is going to spark curiosity. It sparks this curiosity to your viewers. 3, it directs attention. Your thumbnail is going to bring attention to your videos. 4, it promotes your videos. Your thumbnail is going to promote your videos. When you have a good thumbnail for your video, your thumbnails are going to do all this work for you. That is, if you have a very good thumbnail, that thumbnail is just going to sell your video. I watched a fellow YouTuber today when she was talking about clickbait. She mentioned so many things in her videos, but she mentioned so many things in her videos. So I also want to talk about that part. So when you are creating a thumbnail for your videos, make sure your thumbnail represents what your video is all about. Do not use clickbait, because one, it's going to affect your videos, it's going to affect your video, and it's going to affect your channel as a whole. So use the right thumbnail for your video. You guys know that I normally use Capcut in editing my videos, so you guys already know. So on this tutorial, we are going to be using Capcut to edit our thumbnail. Okay, I'm going to, guys, this is how I create my own thumbnail. I don't know about others, I don't know about anyone, but we are all different. So some persons may create their thumbnail differently. Some people have different ways of creating their thumbnail. So this is me teaching you how I create my own thumbnail. Okay, so in case you see another person, you'll be like, why is this different? Yes, everybody will have different ways of creating their thumbnail. A thumbnail for my vlog video that I've edited already. So we are going to create a thumbnail for that vlog. I usually take screenshots of pictures that I'm going to use on my videos while editing it. So I usually take screenshots. So when I'm done editing my videos, I can use those pictures, those screenshots I took while editing my videos. I can use it to create my thumbnail. So thumbnail is as simple as ABC. I'm trying to take a screenshot of picture that I can use for my thumbnail. But let's just doing a screenshot on your videos. Make sure you take something that is very clear, that your audience can see it clear. Your picture should be clear so that your thumbnail can bring like attention to your videos. Okay, so guys, these are the screenshots I took while editing my videos. I'm going to select the one I want. You can see there are many screenshots here, and funny enough, out of all the screenshots here, I'm going to be taking like only 4 or 5 out of them. So I'm going to crop this to the size of YouTube, thumbnail. Then I'm going to save this. So I'm just going to do this to all the pictures I'm going to use for this thumbnail. You can see this is the one I just cropped, and this is the before, this is the after that I'm going to use for thumbnail. So now all I want to do now is that I'm going to go to CapCut. So let's go to CapCut. Now I'm going to click on plus new project, new projects. I don't want videos, so I'm going to go to photos. So these are my photos, these are pictures. Okay, so from these pictures I'm going to choose one that I'm going to use for the background of this thumbnail. I'm going to choose one picture that I'm going to use for the background. I'll click on this one, then I'll add it to my home. This is going to be the picture that will be on the background that I'll be working on. So all I need to do now is that I'm going to click on overlay. Okay, I'm just going to be adding some pictures to these pictures here. Overlay are the pictures you're going to be adding on top of this background picture. Okay, so this background picture now gives you the home for you to add your pictures, the pictures that you want to add for your thumbnail. So all I need to do now, I'm going to add this picture. I'm going to click on this picture. I'm going to add it to my background. So in this box, just make sure you drag it to the length that you want, that it will give you that space for you to add that picture. So I'm going to drag it up here. I'm going to drag it up. I think this is okay. Then I will go to overlay again and click on I want it to be in the middle. I want it to be in the middle. I don't think this is nice, but okay. You can still drag it up. The struggle of creating a thumbnail is very, 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 very hard. It's very hard to create a thumbnail. So I want these pictures to be on the same length, like no one should be longer than the other. I'm going to reduce this one, the one that is showing blue on the middle. Why is it like this now? You will start to the size you want to be. This is my thumbnail. It's not thumbnailing at all. Okay, I think I am done with this. But just write something here. My life vlog. So a day in my life vlog. Then I'm going to add right up you can use for your thumbnail. They have luxury, but this one that has this pro, don't press on it. Oh, you can use any of this right up here. I'm going to go to Republic. So now I'm going to go to style. I will choose the background I want. So I will go to background. I'll click on ABC. You can see it's showing black. So I'm going to drag this. I'm going to drag this thing here. I want this to be transparent. If you drag it, it's going to be transparent. But if you leave it like this, a day in my life vlog. So this is how you can create your own thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail is not that hard. It's simple and easy. That is, if you know how to create your thumbnail, it will just look like a normal thing for you. It will look like a normal thing. This is my thumbnail. I've created a thumbnail for the vlog I was editing today. I may change my mind. I may change my mind from this thumbnail to another one, but this is the thumbnail. Next is that I'm going to screenshot this. I will click on my screenshot. I will screenshot this. So I've screenshotted it. It's going to save to my gallery. Then I will also how is it called? Then I will go and crop it from my gallery. This is how I do it. Just hold on. This is my gallery. This is my gallery. So this is a screenshot of the this is the screenshot of the thumbnail I was making. So you see, my thumbnail is ready to be used without stress. So this is the thumbnail. And if I use this thumbnail, it's just going to be the size of YouTube thumbnail. It's just going to be the length of YouTube thumbnail. So what do you think about this video? Tell me what you think in the comment section. If there's anywhere I made mistake, and if there are some things I should have said in this video that I did not say or I did not add, please feel free to tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.